First of all, thank you everyone for being here. This is very special. Thank you, sir, for supporting. Definitely. But really, thank you for not just supporting me for this project, but overall. You know what I'm talking about, so thank you. I would like to start by stating a fact that this wasn't a very easy or the most uh, like a very comfortable role. Reason one, it was a remake, so obviously people will compare. Reason two, it was a bubbly, chirpy character which I have done so many times. So I wanted to give something different. So I had no clue how. Reason three, I genuinely struggle with Telugu dialogues. So I really didn't know if I would be the right choice for Subbu because Subbu really talks a lot. So these were the three major reasons that I wasn't really confident about my character, about playing this one. But all thanks to our director Karthik, he made me feel that this character is made for me in a way. He made me feel that only I can pull this off, and he was so sure about it. He was 100% sure that whatever I do will work. That gave me the confidence and the courage to say yes to this one. Before the shoot started, I still remember me and Naveen, we went out just to talk for a few minutes. And I just knew that I see a brother in him. I just knew that this will work. I don't know how the shooting schedules are going to be. Will they be tiring? Will they be really hectic? I did not care. I just wanted to be on the set, have fun, be around this guy because I learned a lot from him. As an actor, I always tell this that I love actors who can, like he said, challenge you, but at the same time make you feel so comfortable with the improvisations because I am a very spontaneous actor. I haven't been trained in acting. So for me, rehearsing something 50 times, I'm not sure if that would work. So I'm very spontaneous. I react spontaneously, and just the fact that he responded to it every single time, it's more than it's just unbelievable. So that is what I feel for you, and I'm really grateful that I had you as my co-actor because as an actor you need somebody who understands what the scene is, the silences, the dialogues, the depth, and you do. You're very, very brilliant at it. About the music, Shekhar Chandra has given so many of my songs the hit ones, and I'm so proud of him. This one is very, very special because I did not ever think that I would do a brother sister movie, and especially at this age, I thought maybe Baad mein we'll see. But he made this so special just because he put in his heart and soul, he gave his 100%, and it just touched my heart. So thank you, Shekhar Chandra. We miss you today. Azim, we miss you. Azim is our DOP who is a rock star. It was so much fun to have him on the set. He was such a goofball running around, falling around, and I love him. So it was really fun having him there. I would like to mention our producer, even after so much of struggle during, after the movie, he pulled this through, you made this happen, and we genuinely respect, love, and adore you. I want to mention all my co-actors. I did not have many scenes with a lot of you guys, but I really enjoyed watching you on screen. Your scenes were so funny, your scenes were so emotional. It was just amazing. The father-son chemistry, the mother-son, there was this one particular scene, then your scenes with Sanjana. I mean, you guys were amazing. I have to talk about Sai Ronak. I haven't seen this quick, itna jaldi chemistry working out with somebody so soon. I mean, we met on the set one day, and next, like that same day, we had a scene, and within like few days, we had the romantic scenes, and it just worked. Like somehow, I really connect with him on a level that I really like him, and now we are doing another movie together, so it's amazing. I really want to mention that Telugu audience has really supported me in so many ways, from giving me the courage to become a producer, to do so much in life at this age. I really am very grateful. I feel utmost gratitude right now, and I want to thank each one of you for loving Anandi to my character Uma Devi in Uyala Jampala, to all my characters. You guys have really accepted me like your own daughter, and it is a very special feeling. I really feel blessed that I receive so much love from the Telugu audience, and I'll always be grateful. Thank you for loving Bro. Whoever has watched it has definitely come up to me and said things like, "This is the best movie of your career. This is the best movie you have ever worked for. This is your best performance." And as an actor, this is all you want to hear. This is the most satisfying feeling that you can ever get. This makes you feel content in life. And this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. You do not get characters like this that would change your life or teach you something in life. Bro, hashtag Bro is that movie for me that has not just changed my life for better but made me a better human being. I value my family more now. I value the people I work with more now because I understand emotions better, and I think the credit goes to the director for that because he made me feel those emotions so clearly that I feel like I don't know the right word, but I feel like a human now. So thank you for that, and always thankful to my audience, always thankful to this amazing team, and I really want to work with all of you guys again. It's going to be like a dream come true again, and this was the best movie that I've ever worked with, and I'm extremely proud of it, and I am really grateful that you guys are loving it. Please keep watching it. Watch it on repeat because my cousins and my brothers are doing that. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
హాయ్ హలో మెస్మరైజ్ చేసే మూవీ ముచ్చట్లు, రిలీజ్ అయిన వెంటనే రివ్యూస్, మీ అభిమాన తారల రియల్ స్టోరీస్, సినిమా సమాచారం ఏదైనా క్షణాల్లో మీ చెంతకు. మరింకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, యోయో సినీ టాకీస్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. హలో నోటిఫికేషన్ కోసం గంట కొట్టడం అస్సలు మర్చిపోకండి.